redneck snack or laugh. It's too short to be serious. All right, we gotta be quick with this one, at least for the thumbnail. It is caramel chocolate cheesecake. Oh boy, it looks like some big old chocolate chunks. There's gotta be some cheesecake mixed in there, and of course caramel. This sounds absolutely delectable, absolutely exciting. I unfortunately reviewed the Oreo dirt pie blizzard first, and it was good. Not gonna spoil anything, but this kind of melted while that one really didn't melt at all. So mistakes. It happens. But we're gonna go ahead and try and pose for this thumbnail. There's a good look, or the best look I can give you. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare with a bunch of napkins all over me because I know what's coming. I gotta wash my coat from the dirt pie that got on me, so I don't want to have to wash these khakis too soon, you know? So here we go. Oh, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack. But yes, their full spring menu is out. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see everything online just yet, but if you want the rundown, I do it, for the most part, I do it in the Fruity Blast dip cone, and I did it in the dirt pie review. So just a heads up, but here we go. Oh, okay. So it's caramel truffles, or chocolate caramel truffles. I think it's got caramel topping mixed in here too, and it's supposed to be cheesecake pieces as well. Yep, found a cheesecake. Very loaded, very sweet. Very, sorry about that. Someone was calling me. It was a spam call. And it's still ringing, but there we go. I'm not getting a lot of cheesecake pieces, but I'm getting a good amount of cheesecake flavor. Like the base really absorbed it. That's why one knock on this, because I want more cheesecake. But it's such a fun treat. Just the tanginess, the sweetness, it just all comes together so nicely. The caramel's got that nice, I'm lost at words for it, but it has that, you know, that why am I blanking here? I really don't know. It just adds a deep flavor. You know how it caramelized, but see, that's not even a good word, because caramel is caramelized sugar. But what I'm saying is it just adds a caramelization. I keep getting phone calls. Most of the time they're spam. It really just bothers me, folks. It really bothers me, especially when we're sitting here at 6 o'clock. Like, I thought by now, you know, you spam callers would be done, but I guess you're not just on the East Coast, you're elsewhere. So, like, I'm trying to sit down and enjoy dinner at 6 o'clock. Y'all just bothersome. Anyways, no, it's got the sweet, tangy, caramelized flavor, milkiness of it from the ice cream and the chocolate. It's a very good blizzard. Now, I got halfway through this thing, and it doesn't seem like they mix it very well, but, you know, that's just how it is with dairy cream. I don't mind not eating all the ice cream. It saves me from eating more sugar than I really should. But overall, I enjoy it. I tend to give something like this, it doesn't make me say, wow, I absolutely love this, but I really do like it. So I usually sit here and say, this isn't a product I would give it 8.5, because it goes beyond saying, oh, this is good, or oh, this is really good. This is actually, you know, really good. And then when we go beyond that, when I say great, that's 9. Amazing, you know, top tier is 10. So when I say 8.5, it's on the breaking point of being great, but could use some improvements, like some more cheesecake pieces, because I did have an overload of chocolate caramel pieces, but for some reason the base really held the cheesecake flavor well. So I don't know if the cheesecake was so soft in there that it kind of got mushed up into the ice cream. I couldn't tell you, but overall it is a good blizzard, and I definitely prefer it to the Oreo dirt pie, or whatever they call it. That's what I keep calling it. But yeah, so far I've done 2 reviews, other than the Fruity Blast dip cone. I've done 2 blizzards. I got 1 more blizzard review coming, a milkshake review coming, and 2 slushy reviews coming. So just keep your eye out. They're coming. This is typically a week I set aside. I say, okay, let's do Dairy Queen. Let's focus. But there are a lot of reviews this week, so it's like I have to balance. Okay, this is going up in the morning, and this will go up in the afternoon. So we may have some in the afternoon. We may have some in the morning. But it is what it is. I hope you enjoy this review. Please subscribe. I've got plenty of reviews coming. Every time Dairy Queen does something new, you know to come to me. Hopefully no one else has put anything up. Usually I'm good at beating people. Some of my steepest competition with Dairy Queen was Mel's and Chris. They have really shifted their focus to TikTok with their lifestyle, getting more attention than them doing food reviews on YouTube, and I think they deleted their YouTube channel. So even though it's sad to see that they're not on here anymore, it kind of makes me excited that I can get a little bit more reach on these things. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Plenty more to come. Stay tuned, and I can tell you all about these blizzards that are out for the summer. Yes, the summer. Anyways, that's my review. I'm sticking to it, and I will see y'all around. Yeah!